Hi, welcome to A Path to Balance. Today's class is all about restoration and balance. So we just want to take a moment to love what is. So I'd like you to bring your hand to your heart and one hand to your belly. Take a nice deep breath in. And just let these words wash over you. Of course, you can repeat them back along with me if you'd like. I am here in my body. I am alive. I am awake. I am here in my body. I am alive. I am awake. I am here in this body. I am home. I am here in this body. I am home. I am here in my body. I am alive. I am awake. I am here in this body. I am home. I am here in my body. I am alive. I am awake. I am here in this body. I am home. You can release your hands and come to a seated position, hands on your knees. We're going to start today's class with a seated cat-cow. You can put your hands on your knees, but I like to bring my hands to the front of my legs and just kind of wrap them around that front ankle. And take the chest through the arms as we breathe in. And then just roll the spine back into a C shape as we drop the head down. And let's do that again. Breath in, brings the chest through. We're opening the heart. Exhaling, we're rolling back, stretching the spine. Inhale. Exhale. 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 And one last time, let's inhale and exhale. Perfect. And then come all the way up to a seated position. Let's go ahead and take the right hand out. Bring your left hand to your left knee, and then just drop your left ear to your left shoulder. And then release, come back up. And then we're just gonna take a few little peeks over the shoulder, left, right, left, right. And then switch it up, opposite hand out, and opposite ear to the shoulder. And then release, come back up, and again, just left, right, left, right. Perfect. And then from here, we're just gonna Send that left arm across the body, hug it in, and then look over your left shoulder. And release. This time as we come through center, turn your palms up in front, and as you open up, as you come through center, get a big chest stretch. And then release, and bring the opposite arm in front, hug it in, look over that right shoulder. And release. Let's bring those palms up through center, big chest stretch, and release. From here, we're going to take those hands, we're going to interlace the fingers behind, and then we're just going to drop the hands down, opening the chest. And then release. Bring those hands back to the knees. Perfect. And then from here, let's go ahead and bring the arms up for a big breath in. And then we're going to drop the left hand behind, bring the right hand across the body, grab that left knee, and just gently look over the shoulder. And release, come back to center. And then again, let's bring those arms up. Big breath in. Exhale, twist to opposite side. And then release, come back to center. Perfect. So we did some forward fold in another class, our class on Wednesday. So bring your legs out long, and then we're gonna start by walking our hips back. So place your hands on the mat, and then just left, right, left, right, left, right. Yeah, so then you're just kind of inching your hips back. Take the arms up. And exhale, forward fold. You can grab onto your feet. Big forward fold here. Breathe into your lower back. Take a breath in. And breath out. Breath in. And breath out. And breath in. Breath out. And then we're coming all the way up. Perfect. All right. And then from here, let's go into down dog. So coming into your hands, knees position, you're going to place your toes on the mat and roll over those toes and walk into down dog. Paddle out the legs. And then we'll come into pigeon pose. So what we're going to do is bring the right leg up, big stretch here, and then we're going to bring the right leg down and through and just place it on your mat. And then we're just going to come onto the elbows. So this is as far as we're going to go today. Of course, if you want to, you can bring your forehead to the mat. Big stretch through this hip here. And then release. We're going to come back onto the hands. We're going to place the toes on the mat and lift up. Bring those feet back together. We're going to paddle them out. And then from here, lift the opposite leg and swing it through, bringing the knee to the mat. And we're back down into pigeon pose. And then from here, we're going to come back up onto the hands, toes onto the mat. We're going to lift up and back into your down dog. Paddle it out. And bringing knees to the mat. Take your knees wide. Toes come together behind you. Sit the hips back. We're going into child's pose. We're bringing the forehead to the mat. Your hands are reaching above. Getting a nice stretch through the upper back, middle back. Compressing into the hips. Take a nice deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And then from here, we're going to lift the chest, walk the right hand or walk the left hand to the left edge of the mat. Right hand goes on top, and then come back down. And then release, come up, walk the hands over, and this time opposite hand on top, we're coming back down. And then release, let's come up, walk it back to the middle, place forehead onto the mat. This time, walk your elbows in. Get your elbows as close to your head as you can possibly manage, and then bring your hands to prayer. We're gonna lift our prayer hands and just bring the thumbs towards the back of the head. This slides us into a tricep stretch. So you should feel that underneath your arms and maybe even into your upper back. And then release the hands. Come all the way up. This time we're just going to release the hips, Stretch out your legs a little bit, each side. Perfect. And we can just kind of wag our tails, rock our shoulders, and then we'll come to a seat. Perfect. And then just slide your legs out. And then from here, we're going to bring both knees in. Take your arms out like the letter T. Drop the knees over. Both knees go for a big twist. Roll your chin to your opposite shoulder. You can drape your arm across your knees if you need to. And then release. Come back to center. And then we're going the opposite side this time. Same thing. And then release. And then from here, let's go ahead and bring those legs down, feet to the mat, slide them out. We're going into our Savasana, or our final resting posture. So go ahead and let your eyes be heavy. Take a nice big breath in. And a big breath out. Feel free to stay here as long as you like. Thank you for being here. Namaste.